So hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is Shoptalk, and today's video I am going to show you that how to make your gigahertz 1 to 3 gigahertz. So open search and then type performance monitor. And then go to data collector assets, then go to user defined, then right click on and click on data collector set. You can set one set name. I am going to type CPU. Then go then check mark create manually advanced, then click on next, and then tick mark 3 options, and then click on next, and then click on add. And then go to processor. In my case there is 7. Okay? And then click on add. And then go to process. And then click on add. And then again go to processor. Expand. Go to thread counts. Sorry guys, go to process, and then scroll down, and then click on thread count, and then click on add, and then click on OK, and then click on finish, and then click on the CPU, click on that, and start the data collector set. Now the data collector set CPU is running, and then restart your PC. So that's it, and today's video is up to this. If you like the video, then like, subscribe, comment and share it. Thanks for watching.